Hey everybody, Bret here from Ackland Media Frames. You know, sometimes we know so much about our business and we think everybody else knows it too. I got a call Friday from a customer. He said, hey, do you know who I can have install the frame I just bought from you? I need to put a 10 by 22 frame on a wall, make a billboard for an auto dealer. I said, yeah, I know who. He said, can you give me their number? I said, well, you've already got the number. You're talking to them. We have a service department. He said, you're kidding me. So it was a rush job. Sent a couple guys down on Monday. I got a text during the job from them. These guys are great. They're so polite and professional. They were on time. And by the way, look at this. And he's sending me pictures of the job that we're doing for him, telling me how great it looks. And he said something to our guys. He said, he said, now that I know that you guys do this, I'll sell a whole lot more. He says, I'm in the shop. I make my money printing. But now that I know you guys have an installation crew, I can sell these all over the place. So I just wanted to tell you, this is an impromptu video to let you know that we have an installation crew. We travel all around the country, and it's not just one crew. We have several. I think last year alone we installed in about 22 different states, just last year. We've got great people, and we are wholesale only to the trade. And one of the things the man mentioned was, man, I'm so glad you guys are wholesale only. I don't have to worry about you talking to the customer. No, we don't. We represent you. If you want help and you want to start selling this product, walls, buildings, trucks, parking structures, that kind of thing, and you just don't have the staff, that's what we're here for. We'll represent you. We'll do a good job. You can be part of the job if you want. We can go out and train your people. I was just on the phone with a gentleman in Florida yesterday. Now, I'm in Southern California right now, but he called from Florida. He says, I got 20 trucks, never really done too many trucks. Can you guys come help us? I said, sure. And we talked about it. We said, why don't we send out a crew of 3, and we'll work with one of your crews of 3, and we'll do the first 2 or 3 trucks together till you guys get on your feet, you get rolling, then we'll jump in the plane, head back to Cali, and you guys can do the other 17 trucks. He said, I love it. You'd be surprised how economical it might be. Of course, there's a threshold. We need to have a minimum to go out and do that, but it's not much. I just wanted to let you know. I mean, somebody said once that telling isn't selling, but sometimes it is. I just wanted to let you know we can help you with your service department if you need us. Give us a call, 866-928-9744. Have a great day.